winjo ywak mar jodak makono. Kawadhi nyime en ni piny owacho lando chenro mag rido chike momako sekta mar pith jamni kaluwore kod kuo jamni makoro kwako gwenge mopogore pacho ka. Kuom jamni wachore ni osenyayo uso ring'o maoka. Kuo mar jamni osenyayo uso ring'o ma ok opuodhi kendo manyalo kelo midhiero e ngima oganda. E lendo mar chenro mar rido chikego midwa tim e ndalo 100, jagoro mongirore Migao mar arita Raymond Omolo olando ni chenro ni idhi tim kanyakla e kind County Commissioners, obila e kind jokanyo mamoko.
Good morning. At the county level, the county commissioners are expected to establish the multi-agency teams that are composed of all the players from the National Police Service, including the DCI, the NIS, the National Government Administration officers, the county public health officers, our colleagues within the veterinary services, and to also be able to co-opt other relevant regulatory agencies with specific terms of reference so that then we are able to enforce the same. And among the deliverables, which have largely been highlighted by my PS colleague, is to ensure that livestock facilities undergo inspections and are compliant with applicable rules and regulations. The multi-agency teams are also tasked to identify hotspots for illegal slaughter of all livestock and to arrest the culprits while dismantling all the criminal syndicates involved.